Hi students. So today we are going to tell about electric current part 8. So it is very important topic, series connection of resistance, parallel connection of resistance. So in this part 8 we are discussing about a series connection of resistance. So what is the definition of a series connection of a resistance? Two or more than resistors are said to be connected in series. The same current pass through the all the resistors. So how many resistors are here? Three resistor, R1, R2, R3. Two are more than resistor. So here three resistors said to be connected in series connection. So in this three resistor, the current is how it is, the same current pass through the all the resistor. So for example, here 2 amperes will take, here also 2 ampere, here also 2 amperes. In this now we have to start, the switch will be on in this situation. So then that is a closed circuit. Now current is passed through the positive terminal to negative via resistors, negative terminal of the battery. So the current is, when the switch is on, that is closed circuit. The current flows or current travels positive terminal to resistors via resistors, the negative terminal of the battery. So here in this situation, the current is how it is, if the same current, if same current flows through the flows through flows through all resistance. So as you know, I is constant, here I is constant. So in series connection, that's why we are represented Is. Okay, as you know, Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. V is equal to IR from Ohm's law. So what is Ohm's law? So the relation between the potential difference, electric current and resistance. As you know, here the V is equal V1 plus V2 plus V3. So why we are right here, there is potential different is different. So here these two potential different, and here V1 potential different, here V2 and V3. Okay, so then V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. So as you know, here it is equation 1, and from Ohm's law we are writing, we are applied to that first resistors. So V is equal to Is into R1. So V1 is equal to R1. So current is series in resistors. So here the current is stable. So current is stable. So here another one is V2 is equal to Is R2. It is the second resistor, R2 V2. And the third resistor, we are applied to the third resistor, V3 is equal to Is into R3. Okay, then these three equations are, we are substituting in equation 1. In equation 1, what we'll get? So V is equal to IR. So what we'll get here? V is equal to IR. So that means Is into R. So V1 is equal to Is into R1. V2 is equal to Is into R2. V3 is equal to Is into R3. So have we common Is? Yes. So Is is common. So in this situation, R1 plus R2 plus R3. So ISR is equal to Is R1 plus R2 plus R3. Is get cancelled. Then R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So it is a series connection of resistor. So what is that? Here R is represented equivalent resistor. Equivalent resistor. So R is represented equivalent resistance. So in this, from the equation we are writing very important point, that is, in series connection, equivalent resistor is equivalent resistance is equal sum of individual resistor. So once see here, so R is nothing but equivalent resistance. The equivalent resistance is equal to or is equal to sum of, this means sum of individual resistors. So it is known as series connection in of resistance. Once see this, once the condition two or more than resistors said to be in connected in series connection, all the resistors means same current to pass through the all the resistors. So here according to we know this switch will be on, that current is flowing through the positive terminal to via resistance negative terminal of the battery. So here current is same, so that is 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 constant. From Ohm's law V is equal to IR. So here the potential different, each resistor of potential different. So here V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3, then V is equal to Is into R1. Okay, from the Ohm's law. So we are applied to that first resistor. V is equal to IR. We are applied to that first resistor. V1 is equal to R1. Is is stable. And V2 is equal to Is into R2. It is second resistor. V3 is equal to Is R3. It is third resistor. So these are all our V1, V2, V3 values. We are substituting equation 1. So ISR, ISR1, ISR2, ISR3. From this Is is get common. So get cancel. Then what will get? R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Finally, we are writing very important point. Equivalent resistor is equal to the sum of the individual resistor. Okay, thank you. If you like this video, share and don't forget subscribe. Thank you.